Hi friend, welcome to TGC, Technical Gyancentre. Today we are going to learn a simple procedure of referencing or homing in Micromatic grinding machines. If motor replaced or battery got drained, then referencing is required. So let's start the procedure. First, power on the controller. Let it boot first. Press system key from MOP. Type 1815 and do number search. You will find 1815 4th bit, that is APZ, is 0 for that particular axis. But 1815 5th bit APC will remain 1. Now in jog handle mode, move the machine to arrow marking position. Make sure that it matched accurately. Now make parameter right enable 1. Now again press system and search for parameter 1320 and note it down. Now put 999 8 times in both plus and minus limit of both axes. Now type 6935 and 6936 and do number search. And note it down its value. And here also put 999 8 times in both axes. You will see alarm power must be off. So press off button and again on. Now again in jog mode or handle mode, move the axis approximately 20 to 30 mm in any direction. Then again match the arrow position. Now press system and right arrow key till you get the PMC option on screen. Press PMC key and press Q relay key. Then press paste down key. Go to key relay K20 and enter 1 in K20.0 and K20.1. Press reference mode. Select X-axis and press plus key. Axis will move automatically and go to the home position. And do the same activity for Z-axis. You will see now the home position is done. Enter the original value of 1320, 6935 and 6936 in both X and Z axis. Check parameter 1815 4th bit, it will now 1. Hence referencing homing is done. So by this simple procedure, you can set accurate referencing point of your Micromatic grinding machine. For such simple procedure, please like and subscribe to our channel and share video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Jai Hind.